I grabbed the Magnasonic CD2800 and honestly, for its size this little unit punches way above its weight. Right out of the box it's simple, a single on button, a stainless steel 20 ounces, 600 milliliters tank, and a 3-minute auto cycle that uses ultrasonic waves to blast dirt out of crevices. The spec that stands out is the high frequency, advertised as millions of microscopic bubbles per cycle, which makes it great for eyeglasses, watches, rings and coins, basically anything you can safely submerge. It's typically listed around $39.99, and it carries a solid 4.25 star rating from thousands of buyers, so you're not just getting marketing hype. In everyday use the Magnasonic is refreshingly fuss-free. I dropped in my glasses and a few rings with tap water and a drop of mild detergent for greasy bits, and 3 minutes later everything looked noticeably brighter. It's gentle enough that it won't strip delicate finishes, but keep in mind the listing notes it does not remove tarnish. For that you'll still need a polish. Customers rave about the fast results and the size for personal use. Negative notes revolve around the small tank capacity if you're trying to do a lot at once. As always, we share by links in description box. So who is this for? If you want an affordable, reliable ultrasonic cleaner for home or light business use, opticians, small jewelry shops, Magnasonic is one of the best value picks. Pros: compact, fast, quiet, and inexpensive. Cons: small tank, not a tarnish solution. If you want heavy-duty industrial cleaning, look elsewhere. But for daily jewelry and eyewear maintenance, this is a very practical, pocket-friendly tool.